ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಉಮಾದೇವಿ, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ HOD, ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, GFGC ವಿಜಯನಗರ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ದರ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲೇಜು ವಿಜಯನಗರ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ non-core paper for BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BHM, BCA of Bangalore University 2021. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್, ಭಾರತ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನವ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳು. ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಎರಡನೇ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಈಗ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಚರ್ಚಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, Union and the State Legislature, Executive and Judiciary. In that, Union Legislature, State Legislature, Power and Functions, President of India, Prime Minister and Council of Ministers, Governor, Chief Minister and Council of Ministers, Supreme Court of India, Structure, Power and Functions, High Court, Power and Functions. ಇಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಧ್ಯಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Union Parliament and State Legislature. This chapter explains the administrative mechanism in our country. The administration is carried on by the three main organs in our country. That is, legislature, the body which makes new laws and also amends the existing laws. Executive, the one who executes, administers the laws. Judiciary, the body which interprets the laws. Constitution also provides for administration of the states through the same three organs. India being a federal system, the subjects of administration are classified under three lists, that is, Union list, State list, concurrent list. Above mentioned are explained as below. Union list. Union list consists of 100 subjects on which Parliament has exclusive power to legislate. This includes defense, armed forces, arms and ammunition, atomic energy, foreign affairs, war and peace, citizenship, extradition, railways, shipping and navigation, airways, post and telegraphs, telephones, wireless and broadcasting, currency, banking, insurance, constitution and organization of the Supreme Court, High Courts and Union Public Service Commission, income tax, etc. State list. State list consists of 61 subjects which includes maintaining law and order, police forces, healthcare, transport, land policies, electricity in state, village administration, etc. The state legislature has inclusive power to make laws on these subjects, but in certain circumstances, the Parliament can also make laws on subjects mentioned in the state list. Third list is concurrent list. Concurrent list consists of 52 items: marriage and divorce, education, contracts, bank corruption and insolvency, trustees and trusts, civil procedure, contempt of court, adulteration of food substance, drug and poisons, trade unions, labor welfare, electricity, newspapers, books and printing press, etc. Union Parliament. The legislative branch of Union government in Parliament. It consists of the President, two houses known as the House of the People called as Lok Sabha and the Council of States called as Rajya Sabha. It is important appreciate that though President is not a member of either houses of the Parliament because of his certain functions relating to its proceedings. He is an integral part of the Parliament. Before looking into the composition, powers, and functions of both the houses of the Parliament, it is to be noted that unlike Britain, Parliament is not supreme under the Indian Constitution. The Indian Parliament is the creature of the Constitution and derives all its powers from it. In Indian Constitution is supreme. Bicameral legislature. The Indian Parliament is bicameral, which has one upper house called as Rajya Sabha and the lower house called the Lok Sabha. So the Indian Constitution is supreme. Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is a popular house. It is the lower house which is also called as the House of the People, as it is the people's representative body. The members of the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people of India. Composition. It consists of total of 545 members, out of which 543 are directly elected by the states and union territories. Two members are nominated by the President from Anglo-Indian community. Term. The members of Lok Sabha are elected for 5 years. Qualification. He or she should be a citizen of India. He or she should be the less than 25 years of age. Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the upper house of parliament. It is also called as the Council of States, as the mentioned to this house are elected by members of state legislative assembly. Composition. The Rajya Sabha has 245 members. Out of these 229 members represent the states, 4 members represent the union territories and 12 members are nominated by the president. Term. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected for 6 years. Qualification. He or she should be a citizen of India and should be at least 30 years of the age. Functions of Parliament. Legislative functions, executive functions, financial functions, judicial functions, miscellaneous functions. The state legislature. India is a union of states. It means that there is one union government which is more powerful and several state government. At present there are 29 states in Indian Union and very similar to Parliament of India, which is the law making body, and the union level every state has a state legislative which is a law making body at state level. Composition of the state legislature. Governor, the Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council. Important note, only 7 states have the bicameral legislature, remaining all states are unicameral. The Legislative Council is known as upper house, just as Lok Sabha made powerful at the union level. The Legislative Assembly has been made a powerful body in the states. Legislative Assembly, that is Vidhan Sabha. There is a legislative assembly in every state. The legislative assembly is known as lower house or people's house, represent the people of state. Composition. The number of Vidhan Sabha members cannot be more than 500, not less than 60. Our very small states have been allowed to have lesser number of members. The score was only 40 members. In its assembly, Uttar Pradesh has 403 seats in the assembly. The strength of assembly depends on the population of the representative states. Term. The tenure of Vidhan Sabha is 5 years, but the governor can dissolve it before the completion of its term on the advice of Chief Minister. It has been dissolved by the President in case of constitutional emergency. proclaimed under Article 356 of the Constitution. Qualification. The Constitution prescribes the following qualifications to be a member of Vidhan Sabha. He or she should be a citizen of India. He or she should be at least of 25 years of his or her name must be in voters list. He or she should not hold an office of profit under the central, state, or local government, and he or she should not unsound mind. Legislative Council. Vidhan Parishad. Vidhan Parishad is the upper house of the state legislature. It is not present in every state. Very few states have bicameral legislature. That means having two houses. Legislative Council are legacy of the British period. In India at present only 7 states have the upper house Vidhan Parishad. These are Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Jammu and Kashmir, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Composition. The total number of members in Vidhan Parishad of a state should not exceed one third of the total number of members of Vidhan Sabha, but this number should not be less than 40. Term. Vidhan Parishad like Rajya Sabha and is a permanent house. It is never dissolved. The tenure of its member is 6 years. Qualification. In order to be a member of Legislative Council, the person concerned should be a citizen of India, have attained the age of 30 years, be a registered voter in this state, not to hold any office of profit. Powers and functions of state legislature. Legislative function, financial function, control over the executive, electoral function, constitutional function. President, Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. Article 52 to 78 in Part 4 of the Constitution deals with Union Executive. The Union Executive consists of the President and Vice President, the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers and the Attorney General of India. First, President. The President is the head of Indian state in the first citizen of India and acts as a symbolic unity, integrity and solitary of the Union. Qualification of election as President. In order to be qualified for election as a President, a person must be a citizen of India, have completed the age of 35 years, be qualified for being elected as member of the House of People, not hold any office of profit under the Government of India in state government or under any local authority or any other authority of the said government. Powers of President. Executive power, legislative power, judicial power, financial power, diplomatic power, military power and emergency power. Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is the most important functionary at the center that the President is the head of the state. He always acts on the aid and advice given by the Council of Ministers, which the Prime Minister at the head. In fact, the President is bound to exercise all the powers exactly according to the advice of the Council of Ministers, which is headed by Prime Minister. It is the Prime Minister who is the head of the Union Executive. Functions of the Prime Minister. Makes and unmakes the Council of Ministers. It is on his or her recommendation that the President appoints the members of the Council of Ministers and distributes portfolio some of them. Presides over the meeting of the Cabinet and communications is decision to the President. Acts as the link between the President and Council of Ministers. As and when the necessary arises, he or she may recommend the President that the Lok Sabha be dissolved and fresh general election be held. Is the ex officio chairman of Planning Commission as well as the National Development Council. Represents the nation at the international conference as the head of the government. Chief Minister. The Chief Minister is the most powerful functionary of the state government. He is the head of the state Council of Ministers, which is the real executive. His role and status in the state political setup is more or less similar to the enjoyed by the Prime Minister in the state. Appointment. Constitutionally, the Chief Minister is appointed by the Governor. The Governor invites a leader of the majority party in the particular state to become the Chief Minister, and on the basis of his advice he appoints other Council of Ministers. Judiciary. Judiciary, in quite simple terms, may be defined as the third organ of the government concerned with the job of doing justice. It consists of magistrates and judges charged with the function of administration of justice. It is the judiciary which is the shield of innocence and the impartial guardian of every private civil rights. Indian Judiciary. Article 124 to 147 deals with judiciary in India. In a federal form of government, existence of a powerful and independent judiciary is absolutely necessary. The Constitution provides that there shall be a Supreme Court of India to act as the guardian of the Constitution, protector of fundamental rights of the individuals, and to prevent the Parliament from enacting any legislation against the spirit and letters of the Constitution. The Supreme Court of India. Article 124 states that the Supreme Court consists of Chief Justice and other judges along with ad hoc judges. The number of judges can be increased by an Act of Parliament. The President of India has given authority to appoint ad hoc judges. High Court. The Constitution in its Article 214 states that there shall be a High Court for each state. However, the Parliament can by law establish a common High Court for two or more states. Composition. The High Court of State consists of Chief Justice and such other judges as the President of India may deem it necessary for that state. The number of judges varies from 3 in the Guwahati High Court to 48 in Allahabad High Court. The Constitution provides for appointment of ad hoc judges for a period not exceeding 2 years. Multiple choice questions. First question. Legislature is the answer is first organ of the government. Second, bicameralism means the answer is parliament consisting of two houses. Rajya Sabha consists of the answer is 250 members. President nominates the following members to Rajya Sabha. The answer is 12. The lower house of the Indian Parliament, the answer is Lok Sabha. To contest for the election to Rajya Sabha, the age qualification should be, the answer is 30. The chairman of the Lok Sabha is, the answer is Speaker. The ex office chairman of Rajya Sabha is, the answer is Vice President. The term of Lok Sabha is The answer is 5 years. The Speaker of Lok Sabha is elected by the member of. The answer is Lok Sabha. The strength of the Legislative Assembly. The answer is should not be less than 60 members and more than 500 members. Lok Sabha has more power over. The answer is financial bill. Members of Rajya Sabha are elected by which members? The answer is Legislative Assembly. How many members represented Union territories in Lok Sabha? The answer is 20. After how many years one-third of the member of the Rajya Sabha retire? The answer is 2 years. Within which period the President has to summon session of the Parliament? The answer is 6 months. What is the quorum laid down to constitute a meeting of either of the Houses of Parliament? The answer is 1/10 of the total number of members of that House. Normally, what kind of session does the Parliament hold? The answer is budget session, monsoon session, winter session, all the above. The answer is all the above. When a bill is passed by the Parliament and the President, what is the status of the name? The answer is law. When does the President assent the bill? The answer is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha both pass the bill. President nominates the following members to Rajya Sabha. The answer is 12. The first citizen of India is. The answer is President. President of India is elected by the member of. The answer is Electoral College. The term of the President of India is 5 years. President of India is the dash. The answer is titular executive. The age prescribed to qualify for the election of the Indian President is. The answer is 35 years. The leader and the head of the cabinet are. The answer is Prime Minister. The Council of the Ministers are appointed by. The answer is President. The term of the Prime Minister is. The answer is 5 years. Governor is the agent of. The answer is President. Chief Minister of a state can be removed by. The answer is no confidence motion. Coalition government means. The answer is government run by two or more parties because of coalition. Veto power means power of the President to sign the bill. Who administers the oath of office to the Prime Minister? The answer is the President. The Council of Ministers are headed by. The answer is the Prime Minister. In case of the state emergency, the state government will be ruled by. The answer is the Governor. When national emergency is declared, India becomes. The answer is presidential system of government. Prime Minister of India is. The answer is real executive. The cabinet sinks or sail along with. The answer is Prime Minister. The State Council of Ministers are appointed by. The answer is Governor. Supreme Court is the guardian of. The answer is the Constitution. Supreme Court Chief Justice retires at the age of. The answer is 65. Habeas corpus means. The answer is to produce the body to the court of law. High Court Chief Justice retires at the age of. The answer is 62. Judicial review means. The answer is power of the judiciary to review the laws and the acts of legislature and executive. Fundamental rights are protected by. The answer is judiciary. The guardian of federation is. The answer is Supreme Court. Supreme Court can give legal advice to. The answer is President of India. Following is the writ available for the citizen to seek justice. The answer is quo warranto. The impeachment of the President of India can be initiated in, the answer is either House of the Parliament. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Planning Commission of India? The answer is the Prime Minister of India. The President of India addresses his resignation letter to the answer is Vice President. The ministers shall hold office during the pleasure of the answer is the President. What is the maximum age prescribed for election as President of India? The answer is no such limit. Who admires the oath of office to the President? The answer is Chief Justice of India. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha can resign his office by addressing his resignation to. The answer is the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Who among the following chooses the Speaker of the lower house? The answer is the members of lower house. The annual financial statement, that means budget, is processed by the the answer is Finance Minister. Representatives of union territories in Lok Sabha are chosen by, the answer is direct election. 0 hour in the parliament refers to, the answer is gap between first hour and agenda. Question hour in the parliament refers to, the answer is the first hour of the sitting. Which one of the following statements regarding judiciary in India is not correct? The answer is the districts and session judge is the principal court of civil jurisdiction. Principal court of civil jurisdiction. Which one of the following jurisdictions of the Indian judiciary covers public interest litigation? The answer is appellate jurisdiction. Which one of the following high courts has the territorial jurisdiction over Andaman Nicobar Islands? The answer is Kolkata. The power of the Supreme Court of India to decide disputes between the centre and states falls under its, the answer is original jurisdiction. The power of judicial review in India is, the answer is implicit. District judges in a state are appointed by the answer is governor. The total number of high courts in India at present is, the answer is 21. The state of Jammu and Kashmir was accorded special status under the Article 370 of the Constitution is the answer. Who among the following is a legal advisor of the state government as provided Constitution? The answer is Advocate General. While appointing a governor, the president generally consists the chief minister of the state. This is, the answer is a matter of convention. Who acts as the chancellor of state universities? The answer is governor. Which among the following is the exclusive jurisdiction of the state governments? The answer is sales tax. The special states of Jammu and Kashmir implies that the state has, the answer is a separate constitution. The union territories are administered by, the answer is the president through administrators appointed by him. Judicial review function of the Supreme Court means the power to, the answer is examine the constitutional validity of the laws. The only union territory which has a high court of its own, the answer is Delhi. The elections to Panchayat are to be held, the answer is every 5 years. Chief Minister of a state is responsible to? The answer is Legislative Assembly. The Chief Justice or a judge of the High Court can be removed by the answer is same procedure as for the judges of the Supreme Court. The family court decides disputes relating to? The answer is marriage affairs. Lok Sabha has more power over? The answer is financial bill. Members of Rajya Sabha are elected by which members? The answer is state legislative assembly members. After how many years one third of the members of Rajya Sabha retire? The answer is 2 years. Normally, what kind of session does Parliament hold? The answer is all of the above. Budget session, winter session, monsoon session, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. When does the President assent the bill? The answer is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha passes the bill. At present, Rajya Sabha consists of member. The answer is 250. 250 members. This question answer is 250. Because Lok Sabha consists 545 members. Rajya Sabha consists 250 members. President of India nominates dash members to Rajya Sabha. 12 members to Rajya Sabha. The answer is 12 members. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? The answer is Vice President of India. The term of Lok Sabha is? The answer is 5 years. Minimum age required to contest of Rajya Sabha? The answer is 30 years. Rajya Sabha is also called as Council of States. Who among the following have not held the office of the President of India? The answer is Bairam Singh Shekhawat. Which among the following is the capital of two states? The answer is Chandigarh. Punjab and Haryana. Two states capital is only one capital city, that is Chandigarh. Who among the following did not hold the office of Prime Minister of India? The answer is Venkataraman. Who won the Finance Minister of India when New Economic Policy 1991 was initiated? The answer is Manmohan Singh. Manmohan Singh. President of India nominates how many members from Anglo-Indian community to Lok Sabha? The answer is 12. Adjournment can be passed by? The answer is Speaker. The Parliament can make any law for the whole or any part of all for implementing international treaties. The answer is without the consent of any state. The power to create a new All India service is vested solely with? The answer is Rajya Sabha. Member of Parliament should submit their resignation to? The answer is Speaker. Thank you. This chapter is prepared by Dr. Uma Devi, Political Science Department, and Dr. Famida P, English Department, Government First Grade College, Vijayanagar. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.